Okay, Santa, pour your pole north. I'm ready.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Pearland Police Department is searching for Ivan Amir Simpson, black, male, 1 year old, 1 foot 6 inches, 22 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a white AC with blue or black sweatpants. Police are looking for Jada Williams, black, female, 22 years old, 5 feet 5 inches, 123 pounds, black hair, brown eyes and wearing eyeglasses with black frames, shoulder-length hair, tattoos on both arms, in connection with his abduction. She was last seen wearing a gray or black shirt with black bottoms or blue jeans. The suspect is believed to be driving a silver 2017 Hyundai Elantra with a TX temp tag number of B6290G6. The suspect was last heard from in Pearland, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Pearland Police Department. News media point of contact is Pearland Police Department at 281-987-4186.
Sure, honey, go ahead.
Oh, Mommy, Santa smells!
What do you want for Christmas?
I want to go home.